you know like I know, pop your shit, little daddy, and get out your feelings. If you know like I know, pop your shit, little daddy, and get out your feelings. If you know like I know, pop your shit, little daddy, and get out your feelings. If you know like I know, pop your shit, little daddy, and get out your feelings. I'm Big P, really could give you the game, but boys been too busy bitching. I'm Big P, really could give you a play, but just be in competition. I broke up, I lift her up, I put her in position. She was too lost, she had no guidance. I took the out the trenches. She want a 4-for-4 from Wendy's. Let's hit Roof-Crest, babe, you tripping.
Taco Bell. Not you.
All right, we're about to use everything that Sam taught us at Home Depot.
You're going to take the red and you're going to touch this screw. You're going to take this black and you're going to touch this.
Sam's the man. I'm probably already sweating, which is good. So I'm about to start getting back in shape, so let me sweat some of this out. And this takes no batteries, so I'm gonna remove this top right here. Like I said, it's hot. We wanna work smarter, not harder. I'm back with the heavy artillery. A lot faster than by hand. Again, I do not recommend anybody doing this at home. But when it comes to me, hey, I'm gonna give it a try. Pull the cover off. That right there. Look, I got my heavy duty Taco Bell napkins. Get that sweat off with one wipe. So I'm gonna get the red one. Ooh, I gotta take. Maybe I don't know how to use these bad boys. Let me see. I gotta read up on these real quick. See what's going on. Let me read up on these, see how to use these. Be right back. Remove lead cap for Cat 2 or Cat 3 testing. No batteries required. Okay, there is a cap on there. Why can't you take it off? Oh, it's right there now. So that works. This is the one. Y'all see that? Your boy Sam taught me something, man. Your boy Sam, hey, Sam from Home Depot, you are the man. Y'all look at this. I'm trying these, look. You hear that audible noise? That means we're getting power, okay? Now the one that I thought was messed up, look, I go to her, I think it's this one and, okay, it ain't that one. It's this one and this one. Nothing. It has nothing. Come here and let me show you guys. You see how that one's going right there? We're getting nothing. But watch when I put it on this one and this one. You see how it goes red? It's getting power. But let me go back to this one and this one. We're not getting anything. We're not getting anything. So this breaker right here, so that breaker right there needs to be changed out. It is what it is. It's the name of the game. Okay, now that I'm gonna go through the changing out process, I'm gonna cut the power. Now it's as simple as using our flathead, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna screw this bad boy out. And we're gonna replace it with the 60. As you see, it's a perfect match. And again, guys, I do not recommend anybody do this at home. It's very scary. Any wrong thing done with electricity, you can die. And to be frank, I don't want to see any of you dead. So it is what it is. People be like, Warren, you don't be scared? Shit, I be scared as hell. But I'm gonna get some shit done. I like to learn. And I know I'm sweating like crazy. Like, Warren, you got this hoodie on. Yeah, but we've been getting rain, and it gets cold, and it gets hot. We're in that crazy period of Texas weather right now. But like I said, I got my premium Taco Bell napkins. It's gonna do the job every time. So now that I have those loosened up, and we'll still turn her off. I take the white one out. Still don't want her touching anything, so I put her right there. And I'm gonna take the black one out. I don't want her touching anything either, so we'll put her right there. Now that we have those off, I'm gonna take this one out. Woo! First time ever doing a circuit breaker. I took her off. Good stuff. So we're just gonna place her, the new one, in how we took that one out. So real easy process, I suppose. And from what I've read, you put her in at an incline or at a slant. I guess getting her snap in might be the hardest part for a first timer. Oh, you know what? I was putting it in backwards. And when I mean backwards, these has hooks on the front here. I need to attach it to the hook and then put the back piece in. I bet that's what it is. Exactly. Went in just like that. Perfect. Trial and error, trial and error. Remember, we had black on top, we had white on bottom. I'm just gonna loosen those up. That's kind of cool though. Like, I've never in my life did anything like that. Now this is the scary part. Woo. I'm about to turn the power back on. I don't know what the hell is about to happen. Then I'm gonna test them. If nothing, if I don't see any sparks or nothing, I gotta turn off real quick. I'm gonna test it to see what it does. We'll go from there. Woo. 3, 2, 1. Whew. I heard it kick back on. So I'm gonna test the ones that I just put in. The black. I'm not getting anything. Oh, I have it off, no duh. Ooh, I'm about to turn it on. Woo! Let me test her out. It's fixed! I don't know, man. I'm live about that. I've never done one of those before, but I don't recommend anybody messing with this electrical panel. If you see these big ones coming up here, those are always live. Never touch those if you are not a trained electrician, because you'll get electrocuted. I don't want anybody to die. Never touch these big ones that are running from, I think they come from the street, the utilities or something like that. Never touch those. It was a blessing that, hey, I met Sam, I watched a few YouTube videos, I was able to fix this one, but never touch those right there. Now let's just reinstall the plate and everything. Let me turn this one on too. Everything's good to go. I'm gonna cut the power again, and I'm gonna reinstall the plate. You see nothing's tripping. Everything's on. Perfect. So we successfully changed out our first circuit breaker. Scary experience, but we got it done. All right. Look at the chandelier right there. That's a big boy. Now we're gonna go back downstairs. If you remember, the HVAC technician was here earlier. He recommended that I change that out. I'm about to go to the unit now, plug her back in, get everything going, get that cool air coming back in. All right, now we're about to turn these units back on. So you got this bad boy already going, this bad boy already going. Now this one right here, this is the one that we were having issues with. And you know, nothing stops a train. I love these train units. But what was happening, we had that electrical issue going on. So let's turn it back on. And for those who've never seen it, this is what has it off. So we're just gonna turn this back in there, turn her on. Did you hear it kick on? She kicked on right now. As you can see, she's spinning. Take a look at it. It's spinning. So we've done everything that we need to in regards to this unit right here. We're gonna start getting that cool air in there again. And again, what did it take us? $15 worth of parts, saved us hundreds of dollars, you know? So now that we have that taken care of, it's time to relax and enjoy the rest of the day. I love preparing this house for the sale. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for being with us. Rich off of real estate.